Hi, I'm Bruce King, Senior Vice President of Operations at Rockwell Collins. It's a great event here, and we as a corporation are really happy to celebrate this 50 years with the people from EEMSA. We've had a long history, even prior to Rockwell Collins being part of EEMSA, and it's a way to not only celebrate the people, but also the work and the proud accomplishments of the people here. So doing business in Mexico is very comfortable and natural for us. It's an environment where we get fair work for fair pay. We also get high quality work. We're able to continue to drive more and more, increase the capabilities of the people. They rise to the occasion. It's a stable environment. We have good industrial support around us in terms of utilities, in terms of infrastructure. So it's been a very natural place for us to do work.